the keys to the Peterbilt jet truck and said, drive fast. 75 feet of flames, a 7,000-pound vehicle powered by 3 jet engines. Be it Westinghouse or Pratt & Whitney, they were known as the J-34, and they powered the United States Navy's jet trainer, the T-2 Buckeye. The Shockwave jet truck brought to you today by Scott Berger from TruckGuts.com, Dan Harris from Cut News Graphics, and Bob Whitney from Downwind Automotive in Joplin, Missouri. These engines will generate all 3 of them together with the afterburners on 19,000 pounds of static thrust. That's 36,000 horsepower. Now let's watch as Kent puts the brakes on, pulls it up, and engages that afterburner. Meaning he's putting raw jet fuel into the exhaust. Let's watch it. The Shockwave jet truck is the world's fastest truck at 376 miles per hour. It has enough power to accelerate vertical at almost 3 Gs and has nearly 4 times the power to weight ratio of the F-14 Tomcat used in the movie Top Gun. The owner, Kent's dad Les, was the first to break the 5-second barrier for the quarter mile. The first to break 280 mile per hour barrier in the quarter mile. The first to break the 290 mile per hour barrier in the quarter mile. Crew Chief Bob Whitney's with him. Now you can hear those burner pops big time. Now it looks to me as he puts out his own weather system there that he's going to go down to the end of the runway, get turned around, and give you in excess of 300 mile per hour run right now. Remember how fast Patty Wagstaff was going earlier in her extra 300. And watch how fast Kent is going to go, because I want you all to make sure you watch how fast it is, because we're going to have a race later in the show. From a standing start, Patty Wagstaff will be the Shockwave jet truck. From a flying start will be Patty Wagstaff later. But just take a look at the truck on the right, cooling it up. Patty Wagstaff on the way is in the autograph tent right now, so get your souvenir program, take it over to Patty, and she'll be happy to sign it for you. It's spooling up. 3 jet engines, 36,000 horsepower, 19,000 pounds of static thrust. We're going to have a very, very fast run. You have the wind in his back. That'll make it go a little bit faster. There's the plane to the top. Here we go.